Karbianglong along the NRC alo pangdak pontanglo. Tikilangjun Cooperative Labs along AGM amay kangni. Lihonjar picnic spot kilang abang kavedat ajoy ni Murim Sang. Kardom News time along penili Biderborn Krupi non biotang pen archik tha arni ding kloi pen kechong honga phija khong ni phai thom kep arni NRC lo pangdak pontang lo NRC lo ke pangdak arni ong dunga bang pu bang phiatum amen chilang dam rinti NRC lo ke pangdak pon along amen ke klang dung de dokok posita akaprek avar sai du thuji la pen puthot amen ke chok chiatum dokok posita me ke pachok avar sai du thuji pusi pachini matipung along ke do ward number 1 2 la pen 3 arat ke chilang dam bom lason thak thak si prek jam NRC center along sitame chilang dam rinti Karbianglong Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanda pen lam the kelong atengke ke pangdak ana phai 5,06,753 mate 85.66% pusi perangkya dilum angno nang thandul. Tikilangjun Cooperative Labs along AGM mate Annual General Meeting jakhong ni phai thom kep arni ke paman pona birta Card News along birta nangle. LEMS Chairman Amarjit Ingtika Japan Pupona Mailong LEMS Secretary Sasanka Nak Pensimai ki phalam the jai ponlo labang so Mailong Aluhimate Observer Aman Pen SO Firuz Ingti Lapen Harukhat LEMS Secretary Leonard Teron Tongdun Mailong Tikilangjun Cooperative LEMS Surihira Kretroxi Lapen Trainer Kep Ananingkan isi ang bongkwan si Ali Kelong Lapen Kipadama Alaka Paklang Pondet Pen non kibang di Surihira Trainer Kep Lapen Krisir Kebaningkan Klempon Ali Kipawang Japan Tan Patepsi Tikilangjun Cooperative Labs Chairman Amarjit Ingti Kachipam Puamai Ingsam Jin Pen Pajut Ponlo Rongkang constituency arlo Lihonjar po picnic spot along ta isi kijur kilang kemesan adimlo arniwang ta bangso picnic spot along pharo so se armu kijur kilang kewang atumdo sita bangso adim along kachaphem phuatum kavedet mate kilang ke pangthira bang kavedet ajong adim ke terker si theklong ronglo lasi bangso adim ke paklar japhan Karbianglong along ke chari mate Karbianglong autonomous council along tourism sai kam hinpen RD pipona sonte pen anatum ladak kereng dunavar side longun jibuta cherok togara tumpen ningje non ke bang swadi malong madu pen daka chuphan phwa bang kavedat ajo aning hangaling si bang swadi malong hor of ke chodim pinchong si ke pater hor harlu rik choki chilang noda athe picnic spot polote ki joi ke lang damatum hilobing mate angtan pen dake bang atum dochi lasi ki joi damatum sitame methanga dim lo puche mathasi adim ke pang thirkya kenang sotpota pen anatum pen chuningri lapen bang swadi malong ani bang ta nang ki joi atum bang pharo sosi an parta phomkuru arnisi ke bang aphai ke ong puta hadaga dum ki rong soratum pen pherang kyang no than pachini dun lase bang swadi malong mate Lihonjar picnic spot kapaklar Japan Karbianglong along ke chari ke thekiding penan parta Karbianglong autonomous council along tourism asai kam la pen local MLA aphan si bang swadi malong ke paching thurji aphan radatum chuningri namalam sopor phan birta mun tapanik sina
As per orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the complete draft NRC will be published within 30th of July. At this moment, I wish to inform the public that the draft NRC list that we will be publishing is not the final NRC. It is a draft NRC. That means that applicants who do not find their names in draft NRC will still get a chance to file claims, meaning thereby getting another chance to apply for NRC. During the process of claims, the applicants will get full opportunity to adduce all evidence to prove that they are genuine Indian citizens. As such, applicants not finding their names in draft NRC have no reason to worry. Final NRC, which will be published only after disposal of these claims and objections, will not miss out any genuine Indian citizens. Further, public will also get opportunity to make corrections of errors and spellings, if any, occurring in the draft NRC. Provisions will also be there to file objections against any ineligible entries. I would like to inform the public that filing of claims, objections or corrections is the legal right. Forms for filing claims, objections or corrections will be submitted at the designated NRC Seva Kendras. After some time, we will launch a separate publicity campaign on the manner of submission of forms, their availability and time schedule, etc. NRC officials will also organize meetings and training sessions at various public places to enable the public to participate in the process of claims, objections and corrections.
Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihenamo people tharbir talong wangthalo jakhong engkora truck arni chepate jok plot pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at chairman kilik ke hailong kitimonga phan pokachan subdivision along kar chamai padoposi pokachan pen kar news along birta nang pali Bokajan Block Mondola Sahem along Prime Minister Narendra Modi aning arlo alamate man ki baat ke jai long pacheton road se engkora kep ang deng chairman kimi long kitimonga phan art cholapen Balijan PHIB along ta chairman timonga phan kar choa sai padotu kar cholong Mathurjo Thekel Phukon VDC amai pu resourcing nar BLCC amai pu Bipin Indwar pen chenglok pen anasong jatuk chetong tu Bokajan Town Yuwa Morcha tum jakhong engkora sirkep arni Priyanka launch a sahem along kewangji arni MP kilikapan kajithek amai ingni pusi Bokajan pen ladak birta nang pali Bokajan Town Yuwa Morcha pen kepha mailong Bokajan rongsipiang kang songke pangtang jia phan chithan chimumpon mailong aluhi naba pallat roton terak doloi kro jogata satum chitong dunsi MP kilikapan bidusuri chepare Birta bangkela panskangtan paniklo dumi thakmi kurang thu